So a common issue we all face is employees and users losing passwords and getting locked out of systems. In Sage Intacct, I'm going to walk you through how, as an admin, you can reset their passwords within the system. So from Company, Admin, Users, you select the user whose password needs to be reset. You click Edit, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there's a Reset Password button. It'll prompt you for your password just to verify it is actually you sending a password out. You'll get an immediate confirmation that it's done, that the password was reset, and an email is being sent to the user with a temporary password and a prompt to log in and set up a new one. And it's as simple as that.